Welcome to Home of Math. This video are based on perfect square. Look, here is a number which is 24,990. We don't know is it perfect square or not. If not, how many number we have to subtract it from this? So first we have to solve this one by division method, which is division method. You know about this one. Earlier video we are trying to solve lots of number by division method. So our first one 24,990. So for this one we have to make some pair, like this one pair, this one pair, and 2 is a single, so this one we just keep single. So right to left we have to make group. Okay, then we use a vertical line in right side. So first pair, it means 2. What is the smallest number which is perfect? So 2 is not a perfect square, but 1 is a perfect square. So 1 times 1, it will be 1. Okay, so 2 subtract 1, it will become 1. Now we will use next pair, which is 49. So we can use 49. Then 1 we will make double. This quotient we will make double. So 1 times 2 meaning 2. So here we will use a space and find out that number. Once we multiply by that number, the result will be 149 or less than 149. So look. So what can we do? We can put here suppose 4. So 2 4. So 4 times 4 is a 6, 4 times 2 is an 8, 8 plus 1 is a 9. So 96. If we use 5 in this space, so 5 times 5 is a 25, so we will keep 5. 5 times 2 10, 10 plus 2 is a 12. So we can use 5, right? So 5. So here is quotient is also use 5, and here is 125, right? So 9 minus 5, it will be 4, 4 minus 2, it will be 2, 1 minus 1, it will be 0, right? Now we will use next pair, which is 90, and this one we make double. So 15 times 2, it will be 30. So here is again a space, and we use that number, which result will become 2490 or less than 90. So in this case, if we think 7 times 3 is a 21 and 8 times 3 is a 24, so we can use suppose 8, 308, right? So 8, so we can write what? 308 times 8. The result will be what? 2464. It's a perfect thing. 8 quotient is 8 and 2000 what? 464. So this result we can subtract from 2490. So here is 26. Look, 26 is a remainder. So we can say, therefore we can say 24,990 is not a perfect square, right? We have to subtract 26 to make or get perfect square. So our result or answer, what? Our question was what is the least number which is to be subtracted from 24,990 so that the difference is a perfect number. So subtracted from 24,990, the number is what? 26. Okay, thank you very much. This is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, class 7 to higher level, especially entrance exam and IGCSE SAT, International Math Olympiad, grade 10, etc, etc, etc. My request, if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.